My name is Vicki and my company is called Veganess Bakehouse, and it's a fairly new company. My goal of the company is really to create really beautiful and tasty vegan goods that are mostly baked goods that are as good as the non-vegan counterparts. My education is in science and in business, and I've worked in healthcare for many years, and I just decided I wanted to do something a little bit more creative. So, and I've always had an interest in nutrition and in baking, so decided to quit work and start this Veganess Bakehouse.
So we have Vicki from the Veganess Bakehouse. Welcome.
Thank you.
And tell me what you've made today.
Today I've made a vegan coffee cake, and it's made with, got a lot of cinnamon and also the nutty flavor of the flax seed in it.
Was it the ground flax that you used?
I used both the ground flax for the topping in the middle layer, and then I used the flax oil as the fat in the cake.
Okay.
So it's pretty full of omega-3s. Vegans, of course, we use a lot of flax eggs in baking, but I didn't want to just do something with a flax egg. So I thought I'd put the ground flax seed into the middle layer, and it does give it a little bit less sweet and a little bit more nutty flavor, which I really like. So
Can you explain the middle layer a bit more for me?
So the middle layer is a streusel, and it's actually the same as what's on the top layer.
Okay.
So it's got sugar, flour, butter, and then in addition, I reduced the sugar a little bit, and I increased then the flaxseed. So there's actually quite a bit of flaxseed in there, and I don't think it. I think it actually complements it not being quite as sweet because there's.
I like that when you actually attack just the middle layer, that I can then tell that it's flax, but it's not a flax where it's the grittiness. Definitely hydrated.
Yeah.
Very smooth. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, good. Vicki, thank you very much. We're going to talk privately about you.
Okay.
Behind your back. I think you should go upstairs and have your interview.
Okay.
Thanks,
Sounds
Vicki,
good.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.